Hello aspirants, I'm your mindset coach Nivedita, mentoring students from past 12 years. Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into limitless potential of your brain and mind. And if you are new here, go ahead and subscribe, ring that notification bell so you never miss tools and strategy you need while preparing for your competitive exams. For my committed subscribers, welcome back. Your journey to master your mindset and living your best life continues here. And remember, I can help you achieve your goals. How? Book one-to-one strategy sessions where I personally navigate you through your preparation. Link is in description below. Nowadays everyone is talking about the UPSC results, and maybe your friends are preparing. Maybe your parents want you to try. But the deep inside you are wondering, is this really for me? If you are confused, you are not alone. In this video, I will give you 5 powerful questions that will help you know whether civil services is truly your path or just a dream you have borrowed. Every year, lakhs of students start preparing for UPSC, but many of them jump in without clarity. Some are attracted to the power, some to the respect that comes with the post, and some simply don't know what else to do. But UPSC is not just another exam. It is a test of your mind, emotions, and identity and purpose. So, before you pick up NCRTs or any coaching material, take a pause. Let's go inward first. Question number 1. Are you drawn to the post or the purpose? Do you want to become an officer because you want to serve, or because you want to be called officer or sahab? There is no shame in wanting success, but civil services is a job of service, sacrifice, and a silent contribution. If the thought of helping people, solving real problems, and building the nation gives you energy, you are on the right path. But if you are only here for a status, you might get exhausted before you even reach the goal. Question number 2. Can you stay consistent without external validation? UPSC preparation can feel lonely. There will be days when no one claps for you. No appreciation, no applause, just you and your books. Can you stay consistent even when no one is watching? If your answer is yes, you have the seed of resilience, and that's more valuable than any book. Question number 3. Do you enjoy learning even without a deadline? This exam demands curiosity. It's not about mugging up facts. It's about connecting ideas, understanding society, and developing a worldview. Ask yourself, do I enjoy learning about the world? Do I feel excited when I understand a new concept in polity, economy, or in ethics? Because if you don't enjoy the process, the pressure will eventually drain you. Question number 4. Are you willing to delay gratification? In today's world, we want result very fast, like a 2-minute noodles. But UPSC, it's a slow cooker. It may take 2 years or even 5 years. Will you still stay on a path? Even when others around you seem to be moving ahead in life? This is where dopamine discipline comes in. Science tells the brain thrives when we delay short-term reward for the long-term purpose. If you can train your mind to value growth over gratification, you are ready. Question number 5. If UPSC didn't guarantee you status, would you still choose it? This one is hardest. Take a moment. What if UPSC gave no title, no perks, no media coverage? Would you still want to work on a grassroots issues? Would you still feel called? If your answer is yes, even without external glory, then this is not just an exam for you, it's your calling. In the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna tells Arjun, better your own path, even it is perfect, than someone else's path done perfectly. That's called the Swadharma, your true path. Even neuroscience agrees. When we act in alignment with who we are, our brain releases a serotonin and builds a deep focus. So, this is not just about cracking an exam. It's about walking the path of your truth. Now I want you to take a pen. Write down your answers to these 5 powerful questions. Sit with them in a silence, because clarity is not found in a noise. It is found in stillness. Don't prepare because everyone else is preparing. Prepare only if your heart says yes. And if this video helped you to pause and reflect, let me guide you further. I work with beginners just like you, helping them find clarity before they commit. If you want to explore whether UPSC is truly your path, book a one-to-one clarity call with me. Let's find out your truth before you waste precious years chasing someone else's dream. Comment clarity below this video if this video may help you to decide. Thank you.